Hey everybody, welcome back. Let's have a little chat about the Ovation Deacon copy build. Okay, so you may remember a couple of months ago, maybe 3 months ago, maybe even longer, I made a video and I asked you guys to help me out if you happen to own a breadwinner or a deacon or a preacher or one of those older Ovation solid body guitars. If I asked if you could put a piece of paper over the body and kind of do a gravestone rubbing so I could get a sample of the cavity that's in the body to scale and then mail it to me. Well, nobody did that. Everybody sent me pictures, which doesn't help me out at all because I wanted the actual print so I could create templates so I could route my body. And I've been searching online for months and looking for layouts possibly. You can search for strats and you can get the layout and you can print it out, or Les Pauls, or just about every freaking guitar, but the Ovation Deacon / Breadwinner was nowhere to be found until last week. So, I was searching online for the templates for the Deacon, and I found a company that makes the vinyl stickery kind. They do them on a plotter, and you just peel them up and you put them on your MDF or whatever you're going to make your templates out of. And they had a complete set for a breadwinner, which is basically the same thing as a deacon. It has the same route pattern in it and everything for the controls. So, and it was $30. And I've been searching for freaking months, so that was a bargain to me. So, it just came in. Take it down to the bench here. Let's open this thing up and have a look. I would tell you the name of the company. Wait a minute, I do have my glasses. This says Jet Media, but that's not where I got it online. I'll put it down in the description below. And if you guys are interested in getting templates like this, they had a whole bunch of different style guitars. Go check them out. So, is that it? That's everything. So, here's a template if you want to make a pick guard, which I'm probably going to use to make a new pick guard stencil. The one I actually have a pick guard here, but this is not an original pick guard. This is one that my buddy Tom bought from somebody online, and it doesn't seem 100% accurate to me. So, we'll see what we got. This looks like it's routing for pickups. There's a lot of little things here that... Oh, hey. I don't know what that's for. This is if you want to make a template to route for humbuckers. This is an extra 22 fret Strat style template. Here's the one for the Ovation headstock, and I think that's the neck plate. Here's the tummy cut template. Here's the fretboard to scale. And here is the body. With the routing in it. Which this is the whole reason I bought this. Very psyched. Nice. So now I can route the body for the pickups, which makes me happy as a little girl. Let's just check something out. It's been a while since we've seen this. Oh yeah, that fits perfect. Perfect. Nice. So we can get back to work on that. After I finish the other guitar I've been working on, so I can make some money and redo the shop. So, anyway, well, let's check this out. Here's my neck I built, which I'm still shaping. Can't see that. I can see through the stencil. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So if you're interested in these kind of templates, you just stick them on whatever you're going to make your templates out of and trace it out. Or you could just leave it on there and then cut it and sand it. Check down in the description. There'll be a link to their website where I found these. And check them out. And no, I'm not a paid shill. So I'm just a happy guy who finally found something he was searching for months and months. So just a quick update. Got to get back to the Maple Troublemaker and get that thing together. So I am actually going away this weekend with my wife. We're going to Foxwoods Casino Resort for 4 days to pull a few handles and eat like Romans. So this is probably the only video that's going to come out this weekend. But next weekend we'll get back to the Troublemaker and hopefully have it done. So until then, I might do a live stream from the casino of me pulling some freaking handles at the slot machines. I don't know. I was thinking about it. If you guys are interested, let me know down in the comments. If you say, fuck no, we don't want to see you playing slots, then I won't do it. Anyway, you guys behave yourself, and we'll see you next weekend. Peace.